What are the most common mistakes you see candidates make on their resumes?
One of the worst mistakes I see is having the most recent work experience buried. That's the first thing that I'll be looking for is what's your current job title, what's your current company that you're working for, and how long have you worked there? And then do you match the kind of years experiences? I see a lot of CVs where their first page is full of stuff. It can be a skill section, but what they're missing is they're missing their immediate work experience. The other big mistake I see, there's some misconceptions there that I've heard a lot of different career advice given that says you have to have a plain text CV, has to have no colors, no graphs, no pictures, because if you use any of that other stuff, your ATS is going to auto reject it. Every single applicant tracking system right now will display the PDF CV in the format that you uploaded it. Definitely having your text searchable is crucial, but if you're using Canva or Google Docs or Microsoft Word and you're saving it as a PDF, you're not going to have any issues there.